Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm walking you through exactly how to publish your very own indicator in TradingView, even if you're totally new to the platform. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take your Pine script and publish it as an actual usable indicator, ready to show off on your charts, share with your friends, or just keep for your own trading edge. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few small details you don't want to miss, so let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open up TradingView. If you haven't used it before, just head to TradingView.com in your browser and log in with your account. You can use their free tier for most publishing features, so don't worry if you're not on a paid plan yet. Once you're in, you'll notice TradingView offers a lot of features, but we're going to keep it focused for this tutorial. Next, look for the Products section in the main menu. This is where TradingView gathers all their main tools like charts, screeners, and the Pine script editor we need today. Go ahead and click Products. This opens up a set of options. From here, choose Pine Editor. This is the dedicated area where you'll be writing or pasting your Pine scripts. Take your Pine script code, the strategy or indicator you've written or maybe copied from a trusted source, and paste it right into the Pine editor window. Make sure you're replacing any sample code that might already be in there. Double-check your script for errors. TradingView will let you know if there's a problem, so don't stress if you see an error message. It just takes a few adjustments most of the time. Now at the right side of the editor, you'll see a Publish Indicator button. Click on that. This is how you tell TradingView you want to save and share your work as an indicator rather than just running it privately. Sometimes people worry it'll publish instantly. That's not the case. You'll still have a chance to review everything before it goes public. After clicking Publish, add your indicator to the chart by clicking Add to Chart. This makes sure your script is working as expected right on the chart you're viewing, kind of like test driving a car before you commit to it. If you notice anything off, you can go back and tweak your script before moving forward. Next, click Publish Indicator again to continue the process. You'll now be prompted to give your script a name and a description. Try to be clear and descriptive. Think about what makes your indicator unique or useful. If you're planning to share it with others, a helpful description can make a big difference in how people use and understand your tool. Then click Continue. Here's something important. If you're using a free or regular account, you'll only see options to publish your script as private or to share it openly. If you want to publish it for invite-only access or other special options, you'll need a premium subscription. For most users, private or open is perfectly fine. Choose whichever fits your needs. Now fill in all the final details TradingView asks for. Double-check your script name, description, and settings. Think of this as reading over an important document before hitting send. When you're ready, hit That's it. Your indicator is now officially published in TradingView, ready to use, and if you chose, ready to share. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about the process or run into issues, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more TradingView tutorials and tips. I've got tons more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy charting.